Depth saves quake hit Japan. Tokyo, May 30. A magnitude 8.5 earthquake struck off the east coast of Japan today, shaking buildings in Tokyo. But there was no danger of a tsunami and no reports of damage since the quake was extremely deep. There were no reports of further irregularities at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant, damaged 4 years ago in a massive 9.0 magnitude quake, or any other nuclear facilities. The Shinkansen high-speed train line had briefly stopped between Tokyo and Osaka because of a power outage, and some trains in Tokyo stopped as well for safety checks, causing crowds of commuters in some of the city's liveliest areas to mill around outside stations. The quake, centered off the Ogasawara Islands south of Tokyo, occurred at a depth of 590 kilometers and, unusually, was felt throughout much of Japan. It shook violently. Arbutus falter swayed sideways wildly. Michiko Orida, a resident of the island of Hokkaido, near the epicenter, told NHK National Television. "I have not experienced anything like that, so it was so scary." She added that things on the island were normal. Tokyo Electric Power Co. said there were no abnormalities at the crippled Fukushima nuclear power plant following the quake. On March 11, 2011, the massive 9.0 magnitude quake touched off a tsunami that left nearly 20,000 people dead and nuclear meltdowns at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant. Japan, one of the world's most seismically active nations, has been seeing a period of unusual activity over the last year or so. In September 2014, 63 people were killed in the eruption of Mount On-take, a volcano in central Japan.